Welcome back. When's the last time you rode a life-size avocado teeter-totter, played with a giant slice of tomato, or crawled through a huge wedge of cheese? Our Amber Pfister is back, and this time she's giving her toddler free reign of a life-size kitchen sink she found at San Diego's new Children's Museum.
I'm so excited today. I'm at the new Children's Museum in San Diego. This is my daughter, Lyla. She is 1.5, and man, she likes to play. So for those of you parents who have toddlers, I have the perfect place for you. This is called Wobble Land, and I'm gonna let her go and explore. All right, kiddo, go enjoy. Guys, I also want you to meet, this is Emily. Emily, this is so cool. This looks like a kitchen sink. So let's talk a little bit about this land and why it's so great for toddlers.
Yeah, so this was created by artist Marisol Rendon, and the whole idea is, like you said, it's a giant kitchen sink, and what you can see are these oversized food sculptures of like vegetables and fruits, and it's a great way for toddlers to learn about those things, but also each sculpture has little elements to help them with their motor skills. So you have like the teeter-totter cantaloupe over there. They can crawl through this cheese wedge, and then there's a tomato that's currently in the middle being stacked, but it really works on those stacking, crawling, moving around skills that, you know, from 0 to 4, they're really just developing.
Oh yeah, and they truly are exploring. Like, my kid is all over the house, so it was kind of nice to just drop her off and be like, okay, she's fine. This is really good for her. Now, what was the inspiration behind this whole thing? Because I know that there was an artist who kind of created this whole project.
Yeah, so the artist at the time, I believe, also had a little one, and I think she was really thinking about those early stages of development, and she's a sculpture artist as well, so she was thinking, well, what is something I can do that also applies to what my daughter is learning right now?
Amazing. Okay, I can barely make anything at home, including like a grilled cheese sandwich, so I'm so impressed by this. Some place that we also checked out was, it's Tiki Tico?
Yes, Tiki Tico.
That was so cool. It almost looked like the art was intertwined maybe and woven together.
Yeah, so it's another one of our toddler spaces for 3 years and under, and the artist there was really thinking about sensory development. So when little ones are developing those touch and feel, and everything's really soft, there's different textures, so they can learn that. And then also, you kind of mentioned the woven kind of feeling. She was really thinking about a place where caregivers and little ones can connect, you know, as a new parent, or maybe it's your second child, but just new little ones.
It's isolating.
It can be, so it's a nice place to socialize for caregivers and toddlers.
I've already met so many moms here, so I think that's what I like about it. Now, by the way, for those of you who are like, hey, my kids are older, I don't have toddlers, do not worry. There are other spaces here at the museum for you as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So our museum is really great for kids up to about 10 or 11 years old. We have Whammock upstairs, which is this giant, colorful hammock that kids like to. It's one of the favorites.
Yes, exactly.
And then we have a studio space where kids can make art, get really hands-on with it. And then we also have a toddler programming every Friday at 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. And that also is just all about developing those early skills. So there's story time, art activities every Friday.
Okay, perfect. Emily, thank you so much. By the way, I feel like I have a free babysitter because I have no idea where my toddler is, but I know she's going to be fine. This is such an incredible space for parents, for children, and of course, like you mentioned, the sensory, it's just perfect for their age. Where can people go if they want to come visit?
Yeah, so they can go to thinkplaycreate.org. We're open Thursday to Monday, 5 days a week, and from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
All right, perfect. Okay, I guess I should go find my toddler. But for those of you parents, make sure that you come on by. You will not be sorry. Bye.
All right, thanks, Amber.